Hello guys, have come to Chitrakoot waterfall today. Seeing that the shop is full in all the four directions on the roadside. Let's go to the waterfall area. Looking this place is very nice and very beautiful too. Chitrakoot waterfalls originate from the mighty river Indravati. It's a river that flows with a powerful sense of grace. Moreover, the visual appeal of these waterfalls compels you to think about the kind of mystery ambience along with the powerful water current which these waters are supposed to carry. These waterfalls are located in the Bastar region and perform a height about 93 feet. These waterfalls are located at a distance of 38 kilometers from west of Jagdalpur in Chhattisgarh district and are also known by the name of Chitrakoot waterfalls. Nearby area around the Chitrakoot waterfalls are highly dense and forested. Which it takes during the monsoons. These waterfalls are also known as the Nigeria Falls of India, and on the left bank of these waterfalls there is a sign dedicated to Lord Shiva is situated nearby. There are several naturally built caves. here, you will be memorized by seeing the beauty of flying birds. It is these kinds of moments that help you capture the brilliance of nature with your own eyes. And while you are there, it becomes quite impossible to listen to each other. Voices behind the extreme noise created by the waterfalls. Therefore, these waterfalls are quite beautiful to explore during the raining season of the month. Best time to visit Chitrakoot waterfalls. The monsoon months from July to October is the best time to visit the Chitrakoot waterfalls. When the waterfalls is its full glory during winters, the climate remains pleasant and the water is milky white. Hence, the winter season is also a good time to visit Chitrakoot waterfalls. Thank you. Mostly go and see, enjoy the natural place of Chitrakoot waterfall.